Entering into or remaining in another's property or building without permission is a crime. If you are found to be on another's property unlawfully, you could be charged with trespass or burglary, depending on the circumstances of the case. If you've been accused of committing either one of these serious crimes, talk to a qualified burglary defense attorney as soon as possible. Trespass or burglary. Although trespass and burglary are both serious crimes, being convicted of burglary carries much heavier consequences. The difference between a misdemeanor trespass charge and a more serious felony burglary charge is the individual's intent when on the property. Trespass is defined under Missouri law as unlawfully entering or remaining in a building or property. Basically, if you are found to be on another's property without permission, you can be found guilty of trespass. You do not even need to have knowledge of the nature of the property in order to be found guilty. Simply being on the property unlawfully is enough for a conviction. The more serious crime of burglary, on the other hand, involves the intent to commit a crime while on another's property unlawfully. In other words, if you are found to have trespassed with the purpose of committing a crime, a conviction for burglary can follow. Proof of intent to commit a crime. In Missouri, to obtain a conviction for the crime of burglary, the state only needs to show the accused entered or remained in a building without permission and intended to commit a crime therein. You do not have to actually commit a crime to be charged with burglary. You only have to have the intent to do so. The state may prove intent several ways. For example, the state can try to prove intent when a crime actually takes place, or may also present other circumstantial evidence to show intent. It is also important to know that you do not have to break and enter a building or use force when entering to commit the crime of burglary. It is enough that you entered or remained in the building without permission.